Hey guys, Luke from Just Another Crypto, back with another video, and today we are looking at the POW or POW token. So this token, if you've not seen it already, is they're basically giving them away completely free. Their value is currently 0.000048 cents per token, and it has taken a massive drop recently, down by 73.21%. However, the reason I mention this token is it is completely free to get. The way you get this token, the way you get this cryptocurrency, is if you look at the description below this video. So you click on that. When you visit the website, all you have to do is literally sign in with the Facebook or with your Facebook or your Twitter ID. Once you do that, they then give you. I think this does change sort of the more people that are actually sort of claiming these POW tokens, POW tokens. Currently it's 16,935, which is worth 0.85 cents per coin. So the reason I think this is a fantastic coin to get is, one, it's completely free. You don't have to deposit anything. It's completely free. The price has dropped by 73.21%. So if that price goes back up again, it's going to pretty much double your value. So that takes you to around $2. When they sort of eventually give out all these sort of POW tokens and there's no more about, there is a chance that this price will go up. Obviously, as people will be holding a lot of them, I'm not saying this is going to be the next Bitcoin, but if they double, triple, quadruple in price, there might be some money to be made on this particular coin. And as it's free to get, all you have to do is sign in with Facebook or Twitter. Why not? So once you actually register, this is kind of the dashboard that it brings you to. There's nothing too exciting on there. It basically just tells you how much POW token you've got, POW token you've got, and that's about it really. You can obviously refer friends to earn more. So it's completely free. Why not get involved with this and just go crazy with it? So a little bit about the token as well. Just running off the Ethereum blockchain. So the values I say are dropping at the minute on the actual sort of cost per token, but yeah. Once again, it's a free coin. So, I'm not going to go into too much detail on this video. I don't think that, for me, this is kind of a case of, let's just register, get the cryptocurrencies. I have like a folder where I kind of store all my logins and things for these type of websites where I'm probably never going to go back to them, but, in a year, 2 year, 5 years time, I can go back and say, all right, those coins that were worth less than $1 are now maybe worth $100 or $1,000. You don't know. So get involved, guys. The description is in the link the link is in the description down below. Get there eventually. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to my channel. I do obviously lots of giveaways and things like that as well, so more of those to come. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you guys are already involved with the POW token, the POW token, and if you do register, that'd also be cool to hear your feedback on this particular coin. So keep tuned, guys. Another video will be out tomorrow, and see you all soon.